Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video we're going to take a short segue from Express to install a helper utility called nodemon or nodemon, depending on how you want to pronounce it. As of right now, we have our app.js running. It is listening for requests, so if I refresh this page, I'm at sing and we're no strangers to love and it's working fine. However, let's update this. You know the rules, and so do I. Save. Refresh my page, but this didn't update, this didn't change. The reason this happened is because we did not refresh our process, our listening process. If we come down here, close that, and then run it again, and refresh, now it's taken effect. This gets very annoying because a lot of times we'll be working within this route or doing something in here and we'll be making a change and test it, make a change, test it, make a change, test it. It gets super annoying to have to come down, close our process, start it back up again before being able to test it. So what we're going to do is we're going to install a helper utility called nodemon, as I mentioned before. What this will do is this will watch our files, listen for any type of changes, and then if it detects a change, it will restart the server for us without us having to do anything. So let's close that application, and we're going to use npm to install. So npm I nodemon, or nodemon. Nodemon is what it's called. I highly recommend you do -g for this. What this will do is this will install it globally, because we want to use nodemon in pretty much every application we're ever going to build because it's so super useful. Alright, that has finished installing. Please note that if you were doing this on your own machine instead of GURM IDE, you may run into a problem with permissions. Whenever you're trying to install packages globally, it's going to have problems with permissions, so just remember to do the sudo there, sudo npm I nodemon -g. If you're on your own machine, or if you're on a machine that is not GURM IDE, you might have to do the sudo. So now let's go ahead and use that. Let me clear my console to make it a little bit easier. We used to run this with node app.js. App is running, works fine. Now instead of node, we're going to do nodemon app.js. Now app is running, and if I come over here and refresh, still works just fine. But what's cool is, change this back. We're no strangers to love. Save, and this restarted on its own without me doing anything. If I had some exclamation marks, save, it restarted. And if I come over here and refresh my page just to demonstrate, it works just fine. That just makes our life a lot easier during development, because now we don't have to manually stop and restart our process every time we change something. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to help. Thanks.